everyone. What we're going to do is now we're going to make some tempura udon. So in here I've got some tempura, ebi tempura or prawn tempura, which is pre-made. It's a packaged good product you get from the local Japanese store. And they're just like a little cake that's been pre-blanched already in the batter. I'm going to put 2 in. We'll put those back in the freezer. Right, these are almost ready to come out. Look at that. Alright. We're also going to drop in our udon soup, which is pre-packaged from your local Japanese mart. Just going to open one of those, like so. I'm also going to drop in just a little splash of mentsu. These udons are fantastic, they don't take long at all. You basically just defrost them in the water and they're ready to go. They don't really need it. This is almost there. Just going to taste that soup, make sure it's alright. Gorgeous. Right, so this is pretty much ready to go. So we're just going to bring it to our bowl here. Turn this off. Alright, then we're going to put on a couple of pieces of your crispy tempura, and then we're just going to garnish with got some wakame here, some sesame, some spring onion, and a bit of coriander. Tempura ramen, tempura udon.